Whether it is on or off, the HP22FW unfailingly captures your attention for three different reasons. One is its white matte finish at the rear, two is its ultra sleek design, and three is its 21.5-inch anti-glare, almost bezel-less IPS panel. On the rear side, you will see the power cord. For this video's purpose, I have connected both my VGA and HDMI cable that connects both the laptops, as you can see here. Let's turn the monitor on and see how is the viewing experience. There you go. So it says that the HDMI is active here. Now let's look into some of the menu options over here, like brightness, contrast, color control. So when you go into color control, there are various options like warm, neutral, cool, and there is something called viewing modes, wherein there is a low blue light, wherein the blue light is filtered and it provides a warmer color spectrum. This is night mode, reading mode, HP Enhance Plus. This is something for gaming purposes, movie, photo, custom, and others. This custom RGB as well. So, and there's input control over here, which provides you an option to connect with HDMI, VGA, or also auto switch input, which automatically detects which is connected and then accordingly it connects. So there is image control over here. You can play with the settings, power control, menu management, language information, and so on. So the IPS panel is 1080p full HD display, and it's just 2.33 kg, but it is actually built with strong material. So now let us look into one video sample and see the quality. So it has 10 million is to 1 dynamic contrast ratio, and it has a 178-degree wide viewing angle. You can see this from any angle, see, without much distortion in color. So that's the beauty of it. And also you can swivel, tilt and swivel according to your convenience. Yes, you can set this according to your convenience. Look at the vibrant colors, the lively colors, so sharp, so crisp, so detailed. So this video is being played at 4K resolution, as you can see, and yeah, watching a movie at this ultra high definition is going to be a pleasant viewing experience, to say the least. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this was informative. I am loving this monitor, be it video clarity or its look or its ultra sleek design. Yeah, it's worth every penny. I bought it from Amazon recently at 9.5K. Originally it was priced at around 10.5K, but I got a discount. So yeah, I think this monitor will survive a long way into the future. Thank you for watching, guys. Catch you in the next one. Bye bye.